YouTube world, it's your girl Myra, and I'm back with another video. On today's video, we're gonna do something different. It's not makeup related, it's taste testing. I'm here with my daughter Eva Lisa.
What's up?
I got my stepson Amarius, which you guys seen him on my last video, and we went to an Asian market and we just got a bunch of sweet, basically a lot of sweet treats and some salty chips or whatever. But anyways, and drinks. So we just gonna try them out in front of you guys because we never tried some of the things we did try like before, like the Pockies, but I know some of you guys never heard of Pocky. But yeah, we're gonna jump into the video and we're gonna start off with what?
Chips, I guess.
We're gonna do chips.
Chaps.
Okay, so we got some sweet corn chips. We got some prawn crackers, spicy flavors.
Looks like shrimp.
Yeah, prawns or shrimps. Yeah. And we got some Moby crunchy chocolate.
Chocolate chips.
Those look.
These are like
Chocolate puffs?
yeah, but what do you call those Cheetos? The fat ones?
Cheese puffs?
Cheese puffs.
No, not
right?
cheese puffs. I don't know.
So which one first?
Alright, so which one should we try first?
Say simple's the best, so sweet corn.
Sweet corn? Alright, so we're gonna go in with sweet corn. Move it. Alright. So
That one, that's sweet corn. That's
you said sweet corn?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do sweet corn.
I like when I
Put some
hear
muscle on
packaging.
This packaging is very hard, so we're just gonna cut it.
Dad.
Whoa.
So that?
Off the back, it smells like those corn in a can.
Oh god.
It's not bad. It don't smell bad. It smells like the corn in a can when you first open it.
It smells good.
It smells
farm.
good. Alright, so grab one. It's like a cheese ball. But it's a corn ball.
Yeah.
Looks like this.
Alright, so ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's pretty good, actually. It's weird, but I can see
Wait.
myself getting used to it.
I can
Yeah?
taste the sugar in the beginning, then it goes to salty.
In the beginning, it tasted like pops, and then it turned into like a corn, like a whole corn.
It's good. These are good.
You like it? He
My
likes corn a
taste,
lot.
I'm okay.
These are not bad. I will dig in here again.
You guys think it's a thumbs up or thumbs down?
6 out of 10 corns.
I think it's a thumbs up. Yeah.
up.
All right, which one you guys want to try next? The chocolate?
Chocolate.
No, I said that for last.
You want to try the cracker prawn?
Yeah.
All right.
That sounds interesting.
You all right?
And it's spicy. I like spicy stuff, so I'll probably eat that.
It smells like that Asian market we went to.
That's where we got it from.
Oh.
Amarius.
It smells good.
All right.
Wait.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, go. Not that bad. It's not even that spicy. Never mind, it's kicking it. Okay. Ow.
You like it?
It's alright. Yeah, it's good.
I can
It
taste
tastes
the
like
spice.
a fishy aftertaste. I don't care for it.
Tastes like a spicy french fry.
The smell is strong.
It's a good smell though.
You like it, E?
Yeah, it's good.
You like it, Amarius?
That's
Would you
okay.
eat it again? You're not a spicy person.
Mm-mm.
I'm not surprised you even ate the whole thing. But he did it for you guys. Evie, let's keep moving.
Cleanse my palate.
You're gonna cleanse your palate with the Moby chocolate crunch. So let's try that.
I'm not looking forward to it.
You never know.
Let's try it.
Whoa! Off the back, it smells like cocoa.
Oh,
Cocoa. That cereal.
That smells good.
What is it called? That
Cocoa Puffs?
Cocoa Puffs, right? Ready? Well, they're so little. So tiny.
Smells good, but it looks bad.
Alright.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It doesn't taste like anything. Never mind. It
It
tastes.
does. Right the after.
That did taste.
10 out of
Like
10.
right off the back, you don't taste the chocolate, but once you start chewing on it, like the chocolate melts instantly.
I mean, it's alright.
I like it a lot.
Why do you keep eating it? It's kind of good.
It's alright.
Just turn it to an ASMR.
It's too soft. Like I want it to be crunchier.
Wait.
It
All
kind
right.
of dissolves in your
It
mouth.
says crunchy. Can y'all hear this?
Oh god.
Oh my god.
You guys are weirdos.
ASMR.
Stop.
If you like this, holla at your girl. Alright, anyways.
Okay, that was the last one.
Alright.
You need to move on.
Next.
Chips. That one.
We got ice cream. We don't want that to melt.
Alright, then let's do that.
Can we just jump into ice cream?
Yeah.
We got some mochi ice cream. I've been dying to try the mochi ice cream. I've been seeing a lot of reviews about them and I heard it pretty good. So we stuck with something. We picked out something simple, something original, something that we know best, which is vanilla. And what else you got there, E? Since you're opening on the side.
I can't read it.
So show them.
I mean, it looks like
We got
glue.
another mochi roll up. And a mochi roll up, that's what it says.
It looks
And
like grape. Like a
I know, I think it's raspberry.
prune.
Prune.
It looks like prune.
And it got let me see, I seen it in the back. It says churro milk mochi rolo.
Whatever the hell this is.
Whatever. So we're gonna try the mochi ice cream.
Mochi.
Guys, I'm barefaced. Amarius. My wig, bro. Back. Alright, so it looks like this.
Which one are you trying first? Vanilla?
Yeah, we're gonna try this together, AB. Did you drop something?
No.
That looks like it's melted.
I'll find out later.
Okay, look the bottom.
Anyways, alright, so it's very squishy. It's very squishy.
Ooh.
Evie, why did you even open that?
It tastes like an egg.
It
it
tastes like an
it
egg.
looks like an egg.
Alright, so
Like a jelly egg.
Can I smell it?
I don't know how I feel about this.
it looks like some
It smells
raw
like a
dough.
dumpling.
Right, a dumpling, right?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, it's so squishy.
Ooh, I don't know. I don't know about the texture.
Ugh.
Do I have to eat this?
You don't have to eat the whole thing. Just take a little bite out of it.
God damn.
We don't have a spit cup.
Well, you have to swallow it. Alright, so ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Two.
3. How is it?
It's good. Not the thing on the outside.
I like the inside.
The inside is good.
Mm.
Peel away the outside. Spit it back in here.
Give me it back, Margaret. Give me that bag. Give me the bag.
The bag? Why?
The inside is good. You don't like it? Yeah, the outside. The outside
I'm sorry.
tastes a little weird.
Little TMI, but the
You
inside
guys
is really
are,
good.
You guys are insane.
Mm.
This is really good.
That was
I suck the inside, but that gooey stuff. What is that? All right, that's enough of this. You ate the whole thing?
Now to the next one. This is the
It's all right. I don't.
It's just too good.
You like it?
The inside, yeah.
this one.
But you gotta eat the whole thing. You didn't care for the whole thing.
Yeah, the skin is okay. Like
This
the
is
outside.
the outside is isn't it rice? What do you call that? Rice
Rice bowl?
a rice ball. What's that? What's the napkin you had?
napkin. Oh yeah.
Let me just my fingers. Anyways, I got a little spit bag just in case I don't like none of this stuff.
I would give
Alright.
that one like
Okay, what do you guys
so-so.
give that one?
I would give that like the inside it got a solid 6, but the outside it was it tasted raw.
I don't care for it. I like the ice cream inside. Maybe the other flavors would do me any some justice, but I didn't care for that rice ball.
thing.
It's too gooey. It's
Tastes raw.
raw. But that vanilla ice cream inside is really good. All right, on to the next roll up. This is a little roll up. You want to try this? Oh, I see why you dropped it because it's just. All right. Anyways, it's very powdery.
It looks powdery. I don't know what it looks like.
I don't feel so good.
All right, ready?
Oh.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3. Oh, Evie.
Give me some back. Give me.
Wait. Marius, you eat it? You like it?
You know what?
Come on.
That's nasty.
Using this to cleanse my palate.
I tried so hard.
That was
All right,
nasty.
can we cleanse up? Moving on to drinks. We have what do we have here? What do we have? We got some strawberries, some pops here, Marius. All right, Evie, which one's yours?
This one.
And it got the little ball inside. Isn't that
Where you
cute?
press it down?
You pop it in there. It took us a while to pop the ball inside. But anyways, we got through
Can we
that.
drink it?
Yeah, let's try this because my palate's
Cheers.
kind of. Oh my god,
Good?
that thing just splashed back my mouth.
These are good.
Oh my god.
These are good. It's alright. Or whatever. Moving on.
You guys want to see what the other one is?
Alright, later.
Okay.
'Cause I don't. Alright, moving on. We're gonna move on to. Wait, these things are yucky. Ew.
Get that at 0.
I'll save the last one for your dad. I get this.
He's gonna flip.
He's gonna be like, what the f is this? Anyways, I don't care for these. Put these to the side.
Okay.
Moving on. We got some.
How about we
Let's try this.
The watermelon one is good.
We're gonna try some raisin waffles.
I don't like raisins, but I'll give this a try.
Mm-hmm.
I love raisins.
I love me some raisin. You like raisin, Marius? And it looks very yummy. It looks like something up my alley because I like kind of flaky pastries. I love stuff like that.
I don't know
I just like straight chocolate.
where you found
Yeah.
this.
Straight chocolate.
1, 2, 3.
I like raisins.
Give it a
Oh,
chance.
you want to spit bag in?
No, it's good, but I don't want to spit it out.
Alright, well,
The
suck it
raisins are
in.
good.
Yummy.
Here, put it back.
Evie, don't it taste like the stuff I used to buy at the dollar store? The little Italian pastry,
Yeah.
right? These are so good.
This is good.
So we got this. Amari's picked this out.
I don't like coconut either.
This is coconut with some, what is that?
I don't know what that is. That's-
Pandan?
What the
Pandan.
hell is a pandan?
It looks like a fruit. But
A durian?
let's give these a
Que lindo.
I think so. Gracias.
Alrighty.
coconut. My worst enemy.
Okay, I want to smell this.
I should have got, you should have got
Oh,
Oh!
these are little packets.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh,
Mars, you're not in the picture.
I know. I just,
Ooh, off the back, it smells really, really good.
I don't
I
like
mean,
the
it doesn't
smell.
feel good.
Let's see the inside. Oh, let's see. It's very spongy. Mars, you got a bag right there.
I know.
It feels like a dry sponge. Alright.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh.
These are good. These are good.
What it
You
tastes like?
can't taste the. You can't taste the coconut.
Oh yeah, it got a little cream. It got cream inside.
The aftertaste tastes like coconut.
Oh, when you go more deeper, you could taste it.
Oh,
It's good.
this is really good. Evie, you tearing it up over there.
Because I can't taste it.
And this is pineapple cake. It's like little pastries. 1, 2, 3.
It's good.
Mm.
It tastes like a fig.
That's the thing I'm trying to think of. The fig.
Like a fig. You don't like this, Mark? This is good.
Mm. With a nice cup of coffee. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there are little. You need a napkin for this?
I'll put it to the side.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That
you
does
got
I
not.
later.
recommend eating this with a napkin, but maybe some milk.
Yeah, because it's all over my stuff. You
I
don't
don't
like
like
it,
that.
Amari?
No.
All right, next up. I'll give that a thumbs up. I like it. Yeah, one to the side. We're going to try some mixed pudding. Mixed pudding jellies.
Oh god.
My stomach is going crazy.
I know.
It's making all type of noise.
All these different types of
You hear
flavors.
it?
I can't wait to throw up at night.
What?
Oh, nothing.
Anyways, did you guys like our video we did last time? He really messed up my face. And my palettes.
Oh,
I don't like.
Alright, so
What is
we're gonna
that,
try. Comment down below if you guys want to see my daughter do my makeup. Yeah. Let's see about that.
Forcing you.
I ain't forcing you. I want you
You're
to
forcing.
pick one out.
What kind of flavors you got?
No,
I
just
just that
pick-
green one. 'Cause
just
that
pick
green one looks
randomly.
Big and fuzzy.
I believe it's pineapple. Paella.
Papaya.
What's that?
Papaya.
Papaya.
It's Popeye the Sailor.
Papaya and I think it's jackfruit, cantaloupe, honeydew. I don't know. Pick one out. And mango. Mango.
These look like.
Amaris, come on.
There's only different types. I picked the orange one.
It
Okay.
literally looks like a little cup.
All right. I think I got paella.
Me
I don't know
too.
what this is,
So-
but it looks like jackfruit.
I'm gonna open it.
And it kind of.
I can't open it.
Alright, it looks like that.
This little dance.
I can't open it.
Dance.
Like, look. Jiggles. It jiggles.
All right.
can't
This is
open
how it
this.
looks like in the inside.
They're a design where you can just like push up.
Get another one. What the hell? That's strong.
I can't open
Ooh, that
it.
smells strong.
Ooh,
Evie, yours smell like honeydew.
Oh, that's probably what
Right?
it is. That's probably what it is.
Oh, that smells.
All right.
Come here. Mario.
Did I get the only good one?
Ew. Ew.
It's honeydew.
That's bad.
I mean, it tastes a couple days old, but it tastes like honeydew.
That's some garbage.
Throw it out.
That little pudding snack, I don't care for it. Maybe the other flavors are probably really good, but whatever I had, I don't know what the hell it was.
Wait, what flavor did you get?
All right, moving on, guys. We're going to do some chocolate layer cake, and this sounds really interesting.
Thank you.
Something that's good. Please be good.
That gelatin though. Ugh. It was so
All right.
sweet.
Their packaging are individual.
That's good. I like that.
Thank you.
Because I don't like chocolate that melts on
This
it.
is what it looks
Oh,
like.
yeah. Let's try it out.
Apollo chocolate layer cake.
Oh, it's Apollo from that green one, remember?
Oh, yeah,
like
that's made by the same company.
Ooh, it's hard chocolate on the outside.
that
This
looks
looks good.
It's like a brownie.
It smells good. It smells like Little Debbie's cake.
Sounds like a zebra cake.
Like a brownie.
No, I don't like it. It's dry. Can you stop?
All right, this is good.
It's
I got a little cream inside.
It's alright.
It's okay. A
I
little
wish
dry, like a little spire, but it
The
was
other
good.
cake was
I
better.
wish the chocolate was thicker.
Thicker, right? All right, what do you guys think about it?
No.
I give it a thumbs up.
It's alright.
But when
so
they ain't no
soft.
sweet in the house, that's what they're gonna turn to. Next up,
Mom put it good.
Oh, this is the one we saw at the beginning of the store.
yeah, it's some kind of cookie. It looks buttery and it looks like a little biscuit. So
Is that old Chef Boyardee?
what?
Chef Boyardee.
I don't know. Hurry, stop.
It's Asian Chef Boyardee.
What is this? I didn't see that in the front.
What?
Yo, clickbait?
Honey? Honey with sesame seed?
Ew. Wait, hold up.
Oh, why smell like fish?
Hold up.
Because that whole
We
place
have
smells
to
like
bite into it.
That's how it looks like.
Ew.
that. It looks
All
like
right,
a-
ready? 1, 2, 3.
The cookies that your grandma gives you.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
It's good. I don't know about the seeds, but
Whoa.
Mm.
You like it, Mars?
Look at go.
They're so buttery. Wow. They had another flavor too. I don't know what the hell the other one is. It
Yes.
doesn't have names on it.
They
Oh.
technically
They probably do, but
they technically clickbaited us with the cover.
Yo, this is good. It tastes like, what's that buttery cookie?
Sugar cookie.
It's buttery. It comes in the pepperish from cookie aisle. The one with a little square. Anyways,
I don't know what
if y'all know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But it's good. I like it. Next door, we got some Pockies in the
Yeah.
house.
Wait, that's it. That's all we have.
That's the last one.
Yeah.
All right, so we pretty much covered everything, and these are the last two.
Ended it where it all started.
I already know how these taste. You guys want to try these out?
Yeah.
I got strawberry.
I just we're just gonna open one bag and eat out of one bag. If you want the other one, you can eat off camera.
Okay.
They're individually packaged. Every time they're like 8 in one.
I want the chocolate. Chocolate's my favorite.
You get how many in there? You get 9 packets. 9 packages in here.
Okay. Which one do you want?
Let me try one.
Chocolate?
Let me try one.
You ready? Ready, guys?
I'm in love with the cocoa. It smells good.
Still strawberry one.
3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
You can't go wrong with these.
You can't.
They're too good.
These are delish. Put your head up, Marius.
These are good.
So good.
Mmm. They got all type of flavors in Pockies.
Yeah.
Last time I tried was the almond covered chocolate Pocky.
Could you
Oh my
try
god, so good.
I haven't had strawberry.
You know what this tastes? Oh, this tastes like Nesquik.
That's quick.
Nesquik.
Yeah, and
You know, us Puerto
the
Ricans.
strawberry.
The strawberry one. So good. All right, guys.
This is good.
This is it for this channel. Comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this with my family. I'm trying to get them involved in my videos. Maybe, you know, on weekends, you know, when we're bored, we could do a little video. Comment down below if you guys want to see more of my daughter, Eva Lisa, and more of my stepson, Amarius. If you guys want to see challenges, comment down below. You know, I'm open for ideas. Yeah, guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Do it.
Huh?
Do it.
Tell me. Come on, it's lit over here. You can't deny it. So anyways, guys, share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing on this channel, okay? I see you guys with another video. Bye-bye.